Right, Kia Sportage, and we need to remove the indicator strip in the mirror 2010 to 2015 or 16 I think. So what we're going to do is we're going to get the mirror out and we're going to adjust it so it leaves a gap in there, and then the idea is to prise the mirror off with my fingers, and then this should come off with a couple of Phillips crosshead screws. So what I'm going to do is put on a pair of gloves because I don't want the mirror breaking in my hand. That's better. So this should pop off. It says. Almost there. There we go. Right, so now we've got the mirror off, we need to look at this. Now these screws here don't need to come out. The only one that needs to come out is the end one here. Doesn't matter if you take those others out by mistake, but yeah. So if we undo this screw, put that somewhere safe. That screws out. So if we move around to the actual light, so here this releases now, but you just got to be very careful. This has already got a split up it, but behind here there's no other screws. There's only a wire going into the LED unit, the light, which has got a long bit of cable on it. So in here, this lens, it kind of like recesses a bit and it comes behind this plastic to fix it in place. So do not pull it out that way. You need to lift it slightly, and when you've got a little bit of grip this side, pull it that way so it just slides out of here. I'll show you what I mean, because they are quite sticky. Take your time. It might be worth getting a little clip on there, a trim, I keep on saying trim clip, it might be worth getting a plastic tool on there. Alright, so I've got one of these things. Let's see if this makes life any easier. Probably not. There we go. So that is quite tricky to get out, but like I say, if you pull it, you'll probably break the plastic like this has been done before. So then we can go like that, and obviously we've got the electrical fix in here, the plug, so we just unplug that, that comes straight out. Got all that goo. Do not lose the wire into the back of there because you can't easily get to it, obviously. So yeah, it is just a case of cleaning up all of that. I probably, after thinking about this, probably wouldn't put silicone in there because you're never going to get this out. It was hard to get out as it was. And it has got a rubber or butyl gasket running along there to help things out. So yeah, I'll just clean all this rubbish out. Probably better with a baby wipe. Alright. Right, we just need to put the replacement back in now. Right, so this has all been refitted. I had to get it done quickly because we needed to take the car out, so I didn't get a chance to film it. But basically, reconnect the wire at the back, push this in at an angle, and then you need to push it back in going that way. Okay, so that's the new one I've put in, and then obviously reconnect the mirror wires, the two at the top, to the back of the mirror. I had to use pliers, but they went in, and then the mirror, you're just pushing it back onto that backing plate, and then making sure the electrics all work, and then the heated mirror still works by like misting up this with your breath, and then switching the heated mirror on. But yeah, that's it all back in place, looking pretty good, apart from that little crack that was in there before.